Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about how you can download and install Microsoft Excel. There's going to be two methods for this one, so they're relatively easy. So let's get straight into it. So at the bottom of your screen, you want to find your search bar and type in there, Store. So then you're going to have a Microsoft Store app appear. So click onto that one and that's going to open up this store of all the Microsoft apps. Within this section, we want to go to the search bar again at the top and type in Office 365. Okay, so there's a few options on this page. We've got Microsoft 365's Personal, Family. There's quite a few options available to you, but obviously those are paid versions and you don't necessarily need this for what we're going to be doing. So if you go on to Microsoft Office 365 over here, if you just click on the button here that says Get. So what that's going to do is then start downloading onto your system. If you open up your preferred browser, so I'm going to open up Microsoft Edge, and up here you want to look for Office 365 in the search bar. And what you're looking for is Microsoft Office 365 login, so www.office.com. Okay, so once you've clicked onto the office.com, it's going to bring you to this page where you just need to sign in with your details. So press sign in and it'll prompt you for your email address and password. Okay, so this is another way of accessing the Microsoft 365 app, but using Microsoft Edge or any other browser that you want to actually use. So once I've logged onto this and signed in, then you'll see again the apps are down the side. Here, for example, we have Microsoft Excel. So if you click into that one, then you'll be taken into how to create a new workbook or look at the templates that are already available to you. And then you can go from there. So let's click in Create New Workbook. It'll open in a separate tab and it's just like having Excel downloaded onto your device, laptop, PC. But here we're doing it online and it has all the capabilities as it would if it was installed on your PC. So go ahead and then start using Excel sheet as normal, and that's pretty much it. So if you liked this video and it helped you out, please give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And if there's any tutorial videos that you would like to see in the future, please let us know in the comments below. Other than that, have a great day.